What up fishing fans, it's your boy Member Angler at ngayon, mag-unbox tayo ng stateside! So mag-unbox tayo ng Kistler rods courtesy of Fishing Villa. Let's do this! Una, shoutouts nga pala sa Fishing Villa for making this happen. So, Kistler rods from the US. Actually, it's the first time na nakahawak ako ng made in the US of A. So, Kistler rods. I got here the Argon and the Magnesium. Trivia, Kistler rods, they have named their rods pretty much sa mga elements. So, I got the Argon, I got the Magnesium. It also comes in helium, tsaka the other one is KLX. It's not really an element, pero yeah, they named it as such, KLX. Kilo Lima X-ray. So, review lang tayo sa parts, no? So, discuss ko muna yung specs nila, no? Okay, so yung Argon na hawak ko, it's a medium heavy, 7.3 medium heavy baitcasting rod. So, dito yung 7.3, tapos, so 7.3 siya, and then sparse cover. So, hindi siya heavy cover, slightly cover lang. Tapos, kita rin sa, paikot yung info. Ito yung nagtataka ko sa medium heavy, 15 to 17 pounds lang. Usually medium heavy is 10 to 25 eh. Tapos yun yung it's in ounces, syempre US eh. So 1/4 to 1 ounce kaya. So that's roughly 7 grams to 25 grams. So yun, again, one piece. At ito namang Magnesium is a 7-footer. This is the first time I've ever heard such a rating. Light, medium, heavy. Okay. Both rods have split grip types. Yung Argon has a split grip cork EVA hybrid. Hybrid yung meaning dalawa yung material sa ginamit. Cork yung main handle. Yung butt section is EVA. Yung reel seat is EVA din. Now sa Magnesium, medyo matigas yung EVA niya sa butt. And this part, kung makikita to sa camera, this portion is, it feels like para siyang hawakan ng tennis racket na high-end. Ikaw, mami, hawakan mo. Na? Say hi, mami.
Hi, everything!
Buset! So, first time na nakahawak ko ng ganitong material. Sarap eh. Alright, so yung sa Magnesium, ito, 7-footer. Tapos ito, is built for open water. Tamo yung poundage niya. And it's 12 to 14 pound test line lang. Bagay, pang open water lang naman. That's parang medium lang siya eh. I'm not sure why it's called light, medium, heavy setup. Pero parang medium lang eh. Tapos ayun yung kanyang poundage. Tapos yung weight, yung lure weight capabilities. Both have Fuji reel seats. And it's a plus, both have hook keepers. Very nice. The word sa brand na to is Fuji yung reel seat, pero yung ring guides is KIGAN. If you're familiar with the rod brand KIGANism. Now, be advised, ito pong rods na tong dalawa ay parehong one piece. Kasi since made in the US of A, lahat ng rods, kadalasan pag made in the US, it's one piece. Ang kagandahan sa one piece is the sensitivity, tsaka yung yanking power ng rod. Ang maganda pa rito guys, open blanks itong dalawa. So para saan yan? So in the event na nagka-casting ako, lahat ng nararamdaman ko sa rod tip, nararamdaman ko dito. Yun yung kagandahan ng mga ito. I'm a big fan of open blank rod seats. Isa yan sa mga hinahanap ko pag bumibili ako ng rod. So ang blank construction, it's a rigid blank construction sa majority of the rods. Tapos pagdating dito sa portion na to, may top layer. FYI, Kistler rods, yung mga blanks nila, if you're familiar with NORTHFORK, NORTHFORK is the blank construction created by the legendary LOOMIS. If you're an OG sa fishing scene sa US, you most likely know LOOMIS. What I noticed sa dalawang rod na to, papakita ko sa inyo yung guides closest to the reel seat. Yan, if you notice, mas maliit to kesa dito. Yung Magnesium rods ay naka-micro guide and they are really, really small. Okay, so first impressions. Kung ako tatanungin, first impressions, pros, sige, let's be objective. Pros, napakagaan. I know hindi apples to apples yung comparison, pero nilabas ko yung Nobi dun sa Argon. Mas mabigat to eh. And this is 120 grams? 123? Yeah, this is 120 plus lang. Magaan to. Mas magaan to sa Go Emotion. Grabe. Ito yung magaan on my standards. Ito lalo, sobra gaan. Check mo, mami. Mas magaan. Yan na. Grabe. Yun nga, bukod sa napakagaan. One piece construction, so maasahan natin sa strength. The magnesium has micro guides. Pag naka-micro guides kasi guys, not only mas masinsen yung pasok nung line, pag naka-micro guide kasi, sinusundan lalo nung line yung curvature nung rod pag nagbe-bend. So meaning yung stress nung rod is equally distributed. That is very important pag bibili kayo ng rod. These two rods, ito na, yung Argon hindi naka-microguide, yung magnesium naka-microguide. Iba talaga nagagawa ng pera. Cons, dalawa lang ang nakikita kong kapintasan ng rod na to. Ako kasi, since I travel, wow, I travel. Since nagko-commute lang ako, yun, biglang bumaba. Yung travel pang mayaman, yung commute medyo... Natatawa ka dyan, ha? So, since commuter lang naman tayo, dahil pinanganak na dukha. So, importante sa akin yung portability. Unless kung may auto na ako, diba pwede? Una, one piece, nabanggit ko kanina. Pangalawa is yung EVA grip na kabit mismo sa real seat. I'm not sure how durable this is, pero... lambot oh. Parang walang laman sa loob eh. Not really a big fan. Kung mapunit yan, gusto kong i-try to i-test. Battle testing, pero baka i-battle testing ako ng misis ko eh. Diba, mami? Teka, susubukan tayo. This is it! Ting-ting! Ting-ting ang puto. Hawakan mo, mami. Napakagaan. This is it! US! Sakto sa palme, oh. Wala, arang nilagay. Kung yung Kistler ay less than 100 grams, the Tatula is 195 grams. So all in all, yung setup mo is less than 300 grams. Napakagaan. Wala, finish na. May nanalo na. Bottom line guys, if you want to level up your game tapos hindi problema sa yung storage, Kistler rods made in the US of A. So again, if you're interested in getting these kinds of rods and more, just go ahead and visit Fishing Villa. You can ask them sa Fishing Villa sa Facebook, Fishing Villa Tackle and Outdoor. Gustuhan nyo ba yung Kistler rod? Alright, so what do you guys think? Lagay nyo sa comments below. Ganda guys, sobra. Alright, so once again, I'm your boy Mabber Angler. Peace, tight lines. Till next fishing video, unboxing, or what have you. Stay safe. Ingat po tayong lahat.